This is the only cookie recipe you will ever need. They are my chocolate chunk cookies that use just 7 ingredients, and the bonus, they're gluten-free. I'm gonna combine almond butter. Make sure you stir it really well if it's a new jar. Turbinado sugar, baking soda, sea salt, 1 pastured egg, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together until you have a nice thick and creamy cookie batter just like this. Then it's time for the chocolate chunks. Give it a rough chop and add that into the bowl and gently stir it in until you've got that chocolate spread throughout the batter. Scoop up a heaping tablespoon and then I just form it into a cookie right in the palm of my hand. Place it on a rimmed baking sheet that I've lined with some parchment paper and repeat until you've got 12 cookies. Pop into a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes or until the cookies are set through and golden brown. Cool completely and enjoy. That is so good.